The U.S. Supreme Court, this is about abortion. The U.S. Supreme Court overturned Roe versus Wade with the Dobbs decision, allowing states to restrict abortion if they choose. Utah does have an abortion law that's currently on hold by the courts. If it goes into effect, it bans nearly all abortions. Our history in this country is marked by moments when we decided that rights were either too fundamental or not for a state border to change what those rights are. The right to vote and the right to marry come to mind. Now, is abortion, does it fall into that category? And if not, how is it different?
Abortion is a very hot topic. I personally believe that abortion is wrong, that people need to be responsible for their actions. I think that women and men need to both be responsible if there is a situation of pregnancy. I think that each state should be able to make their own laws regarding this particular issue. I believe the Supreme Court was right in giving it back to the states to make those decisions. And each state has a right to make their own decision. Utah law may not be what California wants. And if California wants something different, it is their right as their own state to make their own laws. We do not need the federal government saying that every state has to do the same thing. That was why we had the 10th Amendment, is to make sure that the states were able to make their own laws, and the people of those states get to vote on what they want. And what people in California want and people in Utah want may be very different. People in New York and people in Nebraska, we're all different, and we have different ideologies, and that's why all the states are different, and that's why we need to let every state make their own decision and not try to control what everyone in the country is doing.